4 more doors left. This is from the smaller set. Taking off the H2O masking and then flipping them around and getting all that off of there. Then we have them packaged in here. I'll show you inside. Carlos is finishing this one. We got this one drying. We'll be taking this off. From Water Street. Oh, we got these ones. We got these pretty much done. I guess you're gonna be filling all these little holes with putty and whatnot. I actually just dropped this off. Now I'm about to open this shit up.
That's insane.
I got the new John.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Is that a GoPro?
It's an Action 3 by DJI. This is a GoPro. I think I gotta charge it though. Whoa, that's crazy. All right, so it's only at 20%, so I probably won't record anything. Yeah, that's pretty clear. Yeah, I'm trying to. Alright, so currently they're loading up all these doors. These smaller ones and the larger ones. Smaller. This larger one's going on the flatbed too. That one over there is going on the flatbed. This large door is going on the flatbed. This door up here, I believe there's a few more on the other level. Smaller doors and then normal size doors. We got these two, and then through this door. This is a small door. This is how it's looking on the outside after we got the paint job done. Railings got installed on the stairs, running on 5% battery. So this is how it's looking now. All up here, we did the trim, the fascia. These steps down there. Then we come upstairs, we finish this up here, come around, install the railings here. to the peak, all this. None of the shingles. It's coming along, it's looking real good. That is tough. Yeah, I got it.
And yeah, that should be it. That's all that Carlos needed. I dropped something there too.
Alright, appreciate it.
Alright, brother. I'll catch up with you.
Yep. Alright, today, doing putty, small hole repair. All this is drying right now. And then once that dries, we'll come in with the fest tool and be hitting it with the 180 to smooth it down. And then after we finish with all the small hole repair, we got the caulk and shear max. And we're just gonna be hitting all these spots. Going down here, anywhere with a gap, all in here. Come inside, same deal, all around there. Get these corners, all that sealed up in there. We're gonna be filling this with paper and tape to keep this protected. Alright, so now we're going to be using the flex tool to sand all the spots we got with the putty earlier. This is what it looks like when it dries. Try to find a good spot.